Hello everyone! Welcome back to another engineering challenge with the Clark Planetarium. It is definitely springtime, and with spring comes all the lovely flowers, as well as their hardworking pollinators. There are lots of different pollinators, from birds, insects, and even bats, but our favorite in Utah are the bees. Buzz, buzz, right?
Buzz, buzz.
Bees are one of the most effective pollinators and are incredible engineers. Their hive structures are perfect for collecting nectar to turn into honey and for larva incubation. There are some ways we can help the bees, like planting native flowering plants and trees, but today we're going to make bee houses. Also known as bee condos and bee hotels, these bee houses can be made from the materials found at home in your yard. These bee houses are not for honeybees that live in hives. They are for tunnel nesting bees. Tunnel nesting bees are called solitary bees because each female uses an individual nest. You can see some of the holes that are the individual nests here. When you're building your house, you are going to need some of these materials and some supervision from an adult because you're going to use some hot and sharp things. So first, you're going to need a good frame for your bee house. Chris has got some nice flat pieces of wood he's put together, and this frame is going to hold all the tunnels that bees can build their nests in. I think it's easiest to think like a bee. Bees are really good engineers. Have you seen the complex houses they make for themselves? Take a look at bee nests in nature and come up with a general shape for the bee house. It can be small, large, square, or some other shape, but the frame does need to be at least 5 inches deep, made from wood, and have a sloped roof from which the snow and rain can run off. Next is the fill where the bees will live. You can use a variety of cut wood blocks or another kind of wood-based tube, or other things like sticks, bamboo, and other things. Just drill holes into whatever fill you're using, like we have here, and be sure not to drill all the way through the back since bees will need a back to their house. It's also helpful for bees to have lots of different sized holes. Some like it snug, but other species will need a little bit more room. Once your fill is hollowed out, bundle them up together with zip ties or string. Lastly, you can place the fill inside the frame and secure it with nails, screws, chicken wire, and then hang it securely outside. Position your house at least 3 feet off the ground in a spot that has plenty of sunlight and flowers. You can also paint the frame a bright color to attract bees. Now, if you enjoyed this challenge, we have lots of fun outdoor stuff available at our store. You can check out how you can grow different other kinds of plants, culture some great microenvironments, even grow sea monsters on Mars. Now, check out our Planet Fun store for some of these things, and be sure to check our website, clarkplanetarium.org, for updated hours and info. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to share your bee house with us with hashtag #ClarkPlanetarium and hashtag #EngineeringChallenge. See you next time, and be happy.
Buzz, buzz.